All right, welcome to this live session where we are going to be looking into the charts again, wrapping up for today. I am sure you can see my screen and hear my voice at your end. If you are joining in for the very first time, as you click on your play button, please move on to the settings tab and ensure that your video quality is set to the 480 pixel. All right, click on the quality here. Just click on the 480 pixels so you can get a better quality at your end. All right, moving into the Forex Factory economical calendar for today. We already checked so far yesterday, and there was no high impact news announcement as scheduled for today. Usually whenever there is economic event, the market tends to move differently with enough momentum. But whenever there is no economic event, price tend to just crawl, some abnormal pushes up and down, not tradable at all. Okay, for tomorrow, let's see what we have. I know we have plenty of high impact news announcement for tomorrow. As you can see, an early morning news announcement from the Australian dollar axis. All right, that's one of it. We also have one from the sterling pounds before just a few hours after the London market opens. But the main news announcements here for tomorrow are those coming from Canada. All right, the ones that are coming from Canada, interest rate announcements for the Canadian dollar currency. Okay, so tomorrow we are going to be looking into this. We expect to see plenty of volatility for all Canadian dollar crosses, so you want to be careful trading Canadian dollar crosses from now on. All right, okay, let's go back to the live trading room and see what is the just let me click on my back button. Okay, all right, now into the charts. We are actually going to be looking into the Forex Factory, the Forex currency index to determine strength and weaknesses. As you can see here, I have actually updated my quotes, and this is the actual value for the Forex currency index. We are seeing extreme weakness and extreme strength, even though we are not finding valid patterns in the chart to trade. But let's just take a brief look into this. Okay, generally you will see that the euro and the American dollar and the euro are having extreme strength. Okay, American dollar and euro are having extreme strength. That means the euro against the American dollar might not push straight on in one direction. That's because both the euro and the American dollar are strong. They have extreme strength values. Okay, so you might just see some ranges. All right, actually we'll be coming to look into this based on any pair that we are analyzing, just to see the kind of representation we are having here and the type of price action. Okay, so just bear with me, be patient. So let's begin with the euro against the American dollar. All right, this is the euro against the American dollar, the 1 hour time frame for today. Not much has happened, and if you take out all of these lines, let's just take them all out. All right, take everything out. All right, look into this chart. Let me just draw the scroll forward a bit. Try to compress the chart. Okay, looking into this chart for the past a few days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you will see that the euro against the American dollar has been on a flat line. Okay, no clear directional bias. Price has not taken to one direction. It's been flat. We only got a bumpy day here. In fact, two are this to the upside right there as railway tracks. It was a flat price action here, push up, push down, entered flat again today. Okay, can you see that? I don't want to scroll back history for you to see what has been going on, but This is actually the price action that we are seeing lately. All right, and whenever you see this, it is quite difficult to trade the market, extremely difficult to make money from this type of price action. Let us move this. This one is making some noise here. All right, let me bring back my lines. Okay, we have looked into the Forex Factory Economical Calendar. Sorry, the Forex Currency Index. Why am I making all of these mistakes? And the index is telling us that the euro is extremely strong, the American dollar is extremely strong, and that is why you are seeing that flat price behavior. It's a constant war, and no one is winning the fight. Okay. All right. Similarly, if you have two currencies where one is extremely weak and the other is extremely weak, you are still going to get a flat price action. Okay. All right. So as it is right now, do not think you want to click on your sell button on the euro against the American dollar. Price is probably ranging, and in the 4 hours time frame, this is that area of support. This is actually that area of resistance. So if you are clicking on your sell button here, you will be trading against that range area of support. Price is likely to bounce off that area to the upside. Okay, so avoid going long, avoid going short with the euro against the American dollar at current price and level. If you're looking to the 1 hour time frame, what's all of this? All right, if you look into the 1 hour time frame, you will see that we are having a flat top triangle. In fact, this is a prototypical price action for those of you who are familiar with the Hector Davila trading strategy, although the market condition doesn't really support it, but we are finding a valid pattern here. All right, a nice push to the downside, sideways price behavior, and we are having higher swing lows while the top remains right there. Okay, so this is a nice reversal formation. Okay, also bear in mind that we are seeing that 24-hour congestion price action. This is one of those indications that there might be a possible reversal within this range. There might be a possible reversal here for price to push to the upside, probably another push to that level of resistance. Okay, so be careful going short. Even though you are, some of you are drawing this as a channel, which is obviously not. This is not the type of channel you want to draw. Okay, this is not a channel. It is more of a triangle. For a channel, you want your lines to be parallel to each other. Okay, you want them to be parallel to each other and price bouncing within them. Okay, not this type of lines. Don't keep that. At best, you want to keep this one, that top. These tops are very significant tops. So why are they significant in the hourly time frame? That's because this was yesterday's low, yesterday's high, this again today's high so far. So if price is able to push above that area, this double top right here with a pullback, this is where we'll be looking to trade our market flow strategy. Okay, well, we hope that is going to happen. We hope this is going to play out if we have the right market momentum for this pair. Otherwise, if price just meanders up and down and invalidate the entire setup, we will not be taking any trade. Right now, the pattern is fully developed. We are only waiting for the breakout, pullback, continuation move. Okay, if price push to the downside, well, we are not interested. We will not be taking any trade here. All right, so that is it for the euro against the American dollar. Be careful going short. If you again come back to the Forex Currency Index, you will see that in the 4 hours time frame, the American dollar is +7, the euro is +5. Those are absolute strength values. 1 hour +7, +7, absolute strength. 30 minutes +6, +8, absolute strength. 15 minutes +7, +6, just changed now. Okay, so those are absolute strength. The euro against the American dollar shouldn't go anywhere. You might keep seeing price hovering around here, except if something change to change the values of that readings. Okay, all right, enough of that. Let's be patient with this and see what's going to happen. Our optimal belief here is that price is going to break above that key level of resistance for us to look for pullback, trading that reversal move or that push against the original push to the downside. And that is why it's a reversal market flow setup. Okay, let's look into other pairs. We have a lot of jobs to do here. You need to be patient. If you're tired, you can leave. We have the recorded version saved for you.